Politico Politica. Politics for everyone.
Welcome back to Politico Politica with me, your host, Isabella Akinseye. It's now time for our final word segment. So Jide, imagine you have one last breath and you have the audience, you have the ears, the eyes of Nigerians all over the world. What will you say to them? And please say that to your camera.
I will say you vote for personality. Don't vote for a party. I also tell you that you should not sell your vote for a morsel of a pot of porridge. Vote wisely.
Thank you, Jide, for coming on Politico Politica.
You're very welcome.
There you have it. Don't sell your vote for a pot of porridge. Vote wisely. And like we always say on the show, politics is not just for the old, it's not just for the young, it's for everyone. I'm Isabella Akinseye, reminding you to play your part and stay woke.